In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Helium 10 Amazon FBA Profitability Calculator. Whether you're an aspiring Amazon seller or an experienced one looking to optimize your profits, this tool can be invaluable. Let's take some time to break this down together so you can start making more informed decisions about your products. First, you need to ensure you have a Helium 10 account. This is essential because without it, you won't be able to access the profitability calculator. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the Helium 10 website and sign up. Once you're ready, we'll proceed to the next step. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Helium 10 Chrome extension page. The link is available on the Helium 10 website under their Product Research Tools section. Look for a button called Get Extension. Click on it and it will take you through the process of adding the Helium 10 extension to your Chrome browser. The installation is straightforward and should only take a minute or two. Once the extension is installed, you'll want to head over to Amazon.com. Here, pick a product that you're interested in evaluating. With the product page open, it's time to activate the profitability calculator by clicking on the Helium 10 logo, which you'll find in the top right corner of your browser. This logo represents the Chrome extension you've just installed. When you open up the tool, the calculator will automatically populate various fees associated with selling on Amazon, like FBA fees and referral fees. This automatic feature saves you a lot of time and ensures the data you're viewing is relevant and accurate. Now, take a moment to carefully review the detailed breakdown presented by the tool. You'll see crucial metrics like projected revenue, comprehensive fees, your net profit, and profit margins. These figures are vital for assessing how viable a product could be for your business. Feel free to play around with the numbers. Adjust the costs if you need to. For instance, you might alter manufacturing costs or shipping fees to see how these changes would impact your potential profits. This flexibility allows you to run different scenarios and better understand your bottom line. All this information collectively helps you make an informed decision about whether or not a product is worth pursuing in the Amazon FBA marketplace. The calculator is a powerful resource that, when used effectively, can guide you towards more profitable ventures on Amazon. I hope this walkthrough helps you make the most of Helium 10's profitability calculator and empowers you to optimize your selling strategy. Thanks for watching and happy selling.